Hello and welcome to x64 Assembly Language and Reverse Engineering Practicals. Hi, I am Paul Chin and your instructor for this course. If you want to learn x64 or 64-bit assembly language and also looking for reversing practicals, then this course is for you. In the first half, you will learn the assembly language from the software hacker's perspective, that is, the assembly language you will see when reversing software. It is a little different from traditional assembly you see using assemblers. In the second half of this course, we will cover plenty of practicals on reversing binary executable using the knowledge and skills you have learned. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge to understand disassembled code and be able to modify exe files and programs logic to insert new instructions and inject new functionality to any exe files, fish out data, bypass encryption, packing, and more. For this course, we will be mainly using the free debugger called x64 DBG. What you will learn: x64 64-bit assembly language and reverse engineering, x64 DBG command tracing debugging, loop debugging, register debugging, and more. Modifying exe files, hollowing out an exe file and inserting new code, 64-bit registers and memory, and x64 calling conventions, directly accessing and modifying main memory and modifying the stack, x64 function calls and hooking Windows API, locating original entry points in packed programs, reversing program logic and file patching, and process memory patching, removing next screens and enabling disable buttons, reversing packed programs and bypassing encryption without unpacking, using Python to do array of bytes scanning and overwriting process memory, deep tracing to fish out passwords, reversing string obfuscated and no strings binaries, defeating anti-debugger protection, creating keygens, loaders and memory patch hackers, and more. Who this course is for? Students who have completed my first course, Assembly Language Programming for Reverse Engineering, anyone who already knows x86 assembly and wants to learn x64, security researchers and reverse engineers, anyone interested to learn assembly language from a software hacker's perspective. Prerequisites: preferably completed the first course in this series, Assembly Language Programming for Reverse Engineering, Windows OS running Intel x86 architecture, preferably Oracle VirtualBox running Windows 10 or 11 virtual machine. My background: I am a retired college lecturer and have more than 20 years teaching experience in computer science and IT. I look forward to seeing you in the course. Thank you.